A sneeze blasts at over 100 miles per hour and can fling droplets several meters, turning a tickle into a tiny storm. Long ago, sneezing was blamed for luck or misfortune, while science now calls it a precise reflex that clears the nose. Pepper sparks sneezing through a nerve shortcut, and researchers study these gusts to model airflow and curb germ spread. Cultural tales range from omens to humor, showing how humans weave biology into everyday meaning. So next time a tickle hits, marvel at a rapid, evolutionary performance that blends biology, culture, and physics.